National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 5:45 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 7 nautical miles southeast of McHenry to 6 nautical miles north of Elgin, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail.
Alright.
Source, radar.
Station 2 of a gas leak investigation, 614 seconds. 614 seconds for a gas leak in the basement. They don't know how to shut it off. They are evacuating.
Alrighty.
Harrison Beaver, Cribs, Burnham Harbor, Hamlet Marina, Wilmette Harbor,
Attention Belvidere Fire Station 2 of a gas leak investigation, 614 seconds. 614 seconds for a gas leak in the basement. They don't know how to shut it off.
Marina Shores Edging Harbor, and 59th Street Marina. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for southeast